I want to do a quick review on this Hamilton Beach blender. It's a 700 watt. You can use it from smoothies, or I'll be using it from frozen drinks. But you could grind coffee beans up in it if you wanted to, or salsa. Got a lot of different use. It has 5 different buttons on the front. I'll go over each. The first one on the left, just a off button. Then you have where you can use it for milkshakes or just cleaning, and the middle one is for smoothie or icy drinks. And next to the 2 on the right is for pulse, and second from the right is for salsa. You can chop up salsa, and one on the end is just, you could chop up just ice if you wanted it and grind the ice up. But this is a glass pitcher, so it's made really good. Also has a little spout on top. You can flip open so it won't spill out. It'll be easy pour, so you don't have to worry about making a mess. Just flip that top down. Make sure you have that top down when you starting it up. Has the on the sides, it has how many cups it is right here. Goes up to like 5 cups. But like I said, this is a black one. It comes in different colors. And this jar is a 40-ounce jar, so you could mix up probably three mixed drinks or whatever, or 3 smoothie at one time. Like I said, I'll be doing some more videos and showing you how to use it. But if you're interested in a good blender, check out this Hamilton Beach 700 watt blender.